and I was thinking about this picture. This picture is actually nice, but I don't think I want to put my nyonyos or my boobs here for everyone to see. So what's up guys? Hi, thank you so much for clicking into this video. Thank you so much for coming back, and to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family, and to my die-hard subscribers who have always been watching my new videos. I know I've been lost for a while, but I'm back. I'm trying to come back, and I appreciate your support guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. It makes me so happy, it motivates me, and it gives me the psych to keep on going. Anyways, before I talk too much, this is another unboxing video. I've been having this box, I think since December, since we moved into this apartment. It's something that I ordered because I saw it trending on Instagram. I don't know what I was thinking, but I've never done like a wall gallery before. But I have a space in this apartment where I feel like it would be nice if we put our family pictures. They are not new pictures. They are some photos that I got from the internet, or photos that you know already if you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook or any other social media platform. These ones, this video, by the way, is not sponsored, but I got them on an offer. I was actually visiting that place oftenly, but not making any orders. So I think they thought she might be interested, and they gave me a discount, and that's how I ended up having so many pictures. Anyway guys, this is Mixtiles. If you're on Instagram, maybe you have come across their advert, or maybe it's only me, but they are all over my space guys. I don't know how I ended up there, but Nishtan first mama, they are all over my space, everywhere, like Instagram, Facebook, like on my email, because when I made the orders I sent them my email address. Anyways guys, before I talk too much, let's do this. It's actually so easy to open because I had opened it before, and this is actually how it looks like. Mommy, bitte, stay. This is actually a paper to show you how to do it, but it's actually very easy. Number one is peel the protective paper of the adhesive. But before we go there, let me show you guys the pictures. Yeah, so guys, these are the family pictures. Our newest baby is not on the pictures. This is how the packaging looks like. Yes, this is us, me, Kevin. Most of them are the three of us, because by the time we got this order, our last born was not yet there. One boy was not born. So that's the first one.
Mama and Papa.
And this is the second piece.
Mama, Papa.
And we have a third one. I think there are like 20 pictures. And this is the third one. Yes, Mama, come around. Nicht auf dem Tisch. Yeah, here we have one im Sommer. So guys, I'm going to show you how it works. Those people who follow me on social media knows this picture. It's actually very light. Very light, like it can't break guys. This is a material that it looks cute. You can't tell that it's this type. Mommy, stop. And it has an adhesive thing here, like a paper that you have to peel off. Yes, Mommy, I'm speaking to the camera, okay?
That's left.
Yeah, left. Like you just have to peel it off and stick it on the wall. And like I said, the material is very good. Can say that. And it's actually it's actually looks expensive, But one thing that I noticed is that, I don't know if you can see, guys, but that the quality of the picture matters as well. So this picture is like original, but this one had a lot of filters, and if you look at the picture, you can tell that it doesn't look so good. But if you look at a picture like this, it was in good quality, so that's why the picture is nice. This one is a little bit messy. Another picture that's not looking so good is this one, because of the quality of the picture. We chose this frame, like this one, without they have like different type of frames that you're supposed to choose from the classic ones. If you want like white, black, you can choose whatever kind of a frame that you want. And I'm going to try and mount the pictures on the wall that we want to fix them, and then we are going to see how that turns out. But so far I'm loving the pictures. I'm in love, but there are too many pictures. I don't know what to do with them, because I don't want to have a wall full of our pictures, like so many pictures. Anyways, let's do this.
I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.
So I'm going to start right here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pictures. We have 20, but I think it will not look so nice when I put the 20 of them, to all of them up here. And I was thinking about this picture. This picture is actually nice, but I don't think I want to put my nyonyos or my boobs here for everyone to see. Maybe I have this picture on social media, but I don't think it will be comfortable. If you come into my house, the first thing you see is my nyonyos. Anyway, let me try and hang this picture. Guys, as you can see, I'm actually trying to experiment if like living spaces is better than fixing them like this, but I'm not sure, but I'll go with this one, because this one I'm not so perfect. The good thing with the pictures, you can just take it out and put it back in the position that you love. So guys, this is the final result. I feel like it's not straight or something is not right, but I love the outcome. I love the pictures. I love everything about this, everything about the Mixtiles, and I hope when my husband comes home he's going to like it. And because we have more pictures and more ideas, we are going to order more pictures and or try and make it look more creative. Anyways, I had some pictures left and I decided to put them in my daughter's room in this style. You can just play around with them the way you like, and I loved it. So guys, as you can see, we have like 6 photos left. These ones here, I don't know if you can see them. don't think it will be wise for me to put all the photos in one space. I have like put like 6 photos in Eliana's room, and the rest I'm going to leave them in the box. Who knows, maybe we are going to find another space to decorate with the pictures. Anyways, that was it. I think I got 20 pictures for like, I got the 20 photos for 80 euros. Yes, and actually, by the way, if you are not here, if you are in Africa, pictures are very, very expensive here in Germany, especially if you want them to be framed. And I think I would recommend Mixtiles because one, the material is actually also kids friendly. Like, you're not scared that like it's going to get broken, and if you don't like the position of the picture, you can just actually take it from that position that you have and put it in another position. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know if you like this kind of videos, or if you've ordered Mixtiles before or pictures before. I don't know, but I love it. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you. Subscribe.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I